Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of adventure and luxury with the 2026 All-Terrain Warriors 6x6 Camper. A masterpiece of rugged design and advanced engineering, this off-road motorhome sets new standards for both durability and comfort. First, let's talk about the interior. All-Terrain Warriors is known for its robust yet premium craftsmanship, and the 2026 6x6 Camper is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a practical yet elegantly designed living area that blends modern luxury with off-grid functionality. The materials used throughout are chosen for durability without compromising style, from weather-resistant leather seating to eco-friendly wood finishes. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a surround sound system, and wide windows for panoramic views of the outdoors. The kitchen is fully equipped with expedition-ready appliances, including a built-in water filtration system, a high-capacity refrigerator, and an induction cooktop. The bedroom with a queen-size bed ensures restful sleep after a long day of exploring, and the full-size bathroom with rain shower and premium fixtures provides home-like comfort even in remote locations. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 All-Terrain Warriors 6x6 Camper is built to conquer the toughest environments. With its bold, angular design and six-wheel drive stance, it dominates any terrain it encounters. The exterior is finished with a rugged protective coating, engineered to withstand extreme weather and off-road conditions. A large retractable awning creates the perfect shaded outdoor space, while roof-mounted solar panels and heavy-duty off-road wheels reinforce its expedition-ready design. Built on a reinforced off-road chassis, it balances strength, stability, and durability, ensuring confidence whether you're on highways or rocky trails. When it comes to performance, the 2026 All-Terrain Warriors 6x6 Camper is powered by a high-torque 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers exceptional pulling power and reliability. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing steep mountain passes, or cruising on open highways, this camper ensures unstoppable performance. The advanced suspension system with long travel shocks smooths out the roughest terrain, while its low-range transfer case and locking differentials give it extreme off-road capability. Paired with a robust 10-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery remains seamless and efficient. Additionally, it comes equipped with advanced off-road assist systems, including hill descent control and 360-degree cameras, making it easier to maneuver in tight or challenging spaces. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 All-Terrain Warrior 6x6 Camper is designed for serious adventurers, and its price reflects its specialized build. With a starting price of around $350,000, it positions itself as a premium expedition vehicle. While not aimed at casual travelers, for those seeking the ultimate off-road motorhome with luxury amenities, it offers outstanding value. The price includes its expedition-grade engineering, self-sufficient systems, and unmatched durability backed by the All-Terrain Warriors name. To sum up, the 2026 All-Terrain Warriors 6x6 Camper is an extraordinary blend of rugged performance, luxury living, and cutting-edge expedition technology. Whether you're planning a cross-continental journey or want the ultimate self-sufficient living space on wheels, the All-Terrain Warriors 6x6 Camper delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.